If you have an aluminum boat, don't worry. There is a simple fix to holes, cracks, tears, and so on. This aluminum boat was repaired with epoxy in the seam next to the rivets. But as you can see, the epoxy separates over time and can peel off easily, leaving the boat vulnerable to leaks. I mean, who wants to bring a bailing bucket on a trip to the lake or river? Not me. After peeling back the epoxy, we are removing the oxidation with a Dremel tool with a wire wheel. Now, of course, you can use sandpaper, a sandblaster, wire brush, whatever abrasive you have available. Because of the separation, we are tapping the aluminum down flat. But if you do have a gap in your aluminum, the Super Alloy 5 can easily fill them, as seen in other videos on MuggyWeld.com. Now, this is an important step when working on a large mass of aluminum. The cold aluminum around your work area will pull the heat away from the seam we are repairing. Aluminum cools quickly. That is why it's used in radiators and AC units and so on. So preheating is very important. Now we're just going to heat the rod and dip it into the flux. Now if it doesn't grab on the first time, heat it again, grab some more flux. That's all there is to it. Now we're going to simply transfer our flux to the boat. Just melting off the flux. We're not melting any rod yet. Using our torch to melt the flux in place. When that flux gets real thin and watery and active, now we're going to start adding our rod. If our rod was to ball up, that means our base metal is too cold, but we're working at the right temperature because it is laying out flat. Coming back with more flux and more rod. Every time you add the rod, add your flux. The lower section is a little heavier, so we will heat this area just a little bit more before our next deposit of rod and flux. Notice we're using a brazing technique by heating the base metal and the rod at the same time. Keeping your flux close prevents the base metal from cooling too much between deposits. Due to the mass of aluminum, we're using oxyacetylene for this repair. Propane or MAP gas by themselves will not work, but oxypropane, oxy-MAP gas, that's just fine. By now, you can see just how easy it is to repair your boat. This area of the seam is stronger than it's ever been, and it's sealed correctly, watertight. Now you have a permanent joint that will not pop off or peel up over time in use. We're going to let our base metal or parent metal cool naturally and use a wire brush and warm water to remove our flux. Of course, the Super Alloy 5 will also work on aluminum pontoon boats, airboats, canoes, rafts, props, and even your cast aluminum outboard motors. The flux will take care of the contaminants in the cast. TIG or MIG welding usually falls short in this area. If you need to polish your aluminum, you can do that as well. This is the Super Alloy 5 from MuggyWeld.com.